Vesting Mascara Cabinet number 5, Gabriel Hison. Designer, Shandel Moya Soledad. This elegant costume comes from Senora Collection by designer Derek Zamora, a tribute to resilience, beauty, and timeless grace of the Filipina. Inspired by local weaving traditions and the artistry of Dibayong, the ensemble blends intricate, hand-woven patterns with vibrant colors and luxurious fabrics. The silhouette captures the dignity of traditional señorita while infusing modern sophistication, transforming heritage into a contemporary couture more than fashion. And it's a living celebration of Filipino culture, honoring women, artisans in the enduring strand of the Philippine spirit. As Señoras grace both bold and well, their story is woman in Gabriel.